Yo, what up? It's your girl, Miss Chance, back from Vocalfy, and today we are going to be talking about how to sing better for the boys. Let's get into it. Okay, so similar to last week when I spoke about the girls' videos, today we're talking about how to sing better for guys. Now, the first thing to realize as a man is most of your vocals or most of your voice happens in the chest. Okay, most of your register is a chest register, meaning that your vibrations will be happening in the mouth, not so much in the head. Okay, your vocal cords are naturally thicker than ours, a little longer than female vocal cords, so you will naturally have a deeper, more resonant voice. That doesn't mean that you can't sing higher, just means that it's easier for you to sing in your lower regions. Now, to be able to sing better, we want to apply the S.P.S that I have in my How to Sing Better video. You can click up there if you want to check it out, which is making sure you pay attention to your support, your placement, and your space. Okay, so we start with exercises, rolling the shoulders back, getting calm, getting your body nice and warm. Then you're gonna do a breathing exercise. If you can check out that video to see the exercises that I did. Then from there, we're not going to pay a lot of attention to your chest register because that's where you naturally live. You got to pay more attention or work on your falsetto. All right, you know what to do. If you like what you're getting from me, like, share, subscribe, and comment, please. It helps me out with the analytics. You would be doing me a great favor. So you know what to do. All right, let's get into the subject matter. So how are we gonna go up in there? First, we're gonna do an owl that's gonna slide from our lower register into our head register. So it goes like this. Ooh. Ooh. With that exercise, you're gonna apply your S.P.S. So you're gonna drive, you're gonna support your sound, create the space in the mouth, inside the mouth. Your lips are gonna curl over like this to create an but the inside of your mouth is still open. And you are going to pay attention to where the sound is sitting in your body, where you're feeling vibrations as you move up in pitch. The lower you are, you'll feel vibrations in your chest. You'll start feeling it there. The higher you go, the vibrations will move up your vocal tract, and eventually you'll start feeling it in the forehead and in the head. Okay, so what you'll hear, or what you'll do is this. Now, then you'll start paying attention to where is the point that it became very resistant for you or very hard for you. Stop there. Take note of that note or that section. Then you're gonna go back there. Then when you go to that note, we're gonna switch to a sound of whoop. So you're gonna go whoop, 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 whoop. And then you might do that on a scale. So you will go whoop, 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 whoop. That will get you up into your head register or your falsetto voice. Okay, get you feeling that. Once you're there, you'll pay attention to what you're feeling. You'll feel vibrations. You should feel an openness up in that area. Your sound should literally feel like it's floating. Okay, and then you start doing exercises up there. Whoop, 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 whoop. Whoop, 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 whoop. Then sliding it back down into your natural register. That's how you're gonna be able to connect your chest and your head register as a man and strengthen your falsetto so you can sound like Usher out here or sound like any of these R&B cats or anybody that sings really, really high, okay? That's how you'll get up into that register and how you'll sing better as a man. Okay, I'm not a man, I know. You know I'm not a man, but that is how you will begin to extend your range and have a better singing voice as a male, okay? If you have any questions, you know what to do. Leave them in the comments below or leave me an email. If you're interested in lessons, send me an email, we can set that up. And again, this has been your girl, Miss Chance from Vocalfy. I hope you had fun and I hope you join me again. See you next time. Peace.